Hi guys, you're watching Gravity Flying India, and today we are going to make this GFI-30 fighter plane. For this plane, we have total two different sheet number 1 and sheet number 2. So we will remove all the parts from this both sheet and we will start assembling all the parts. So let's start. Now here you can see we have removed all the parts. So let's take one by one. So this group is for exhaust assembly. This entire group is for main wing and the fuselage assembly. This two is for horizontal stabilizer and this both are the vertical stabilizer. This is the landing gear assembly. These are the bottom intake duct assembly. These are the parts for the main wing bottom missiles. So let's start assembling all the parts together. Here we will start from the all small different parts. So I'll start with this bottom intake part. So let's start assembling this part. Now we will start with this missile assembly. Now it's time for this landing assembly. As we already made this air intake assembly bottom part, and just behind this we have to make this exhaust assembly. So we'll stick all the parts one on another and we'll make this part 1 for this one and this part 2 for this one. So let's start from this part 1. it's time for the main wing and the fuselage assembly. So let's start. Now here we have all other assemblies what we made just now. So this is the main wing and this too is the exhaust assembly. You can see like this. We will fit this exhaust assembly just bottom of the main wing, and this is the air intake assembly. This exhaust assembly will be fit just behind this bottom of the wing. So, and this is the vertical stabilizer, and this too is the horizontal stabilizer. This is the landing gear assembly. You can see this is the rear landing gear and this is the nose landing gear, and just beside this 1 and 2, both part will be joined together like this. And this is the missiles which will be fitting here, 1 2 3 here and 1 2 3 here. this is the time for the vertical and the horizontal stabilizer. So this horizontal stabilizer is going to fit in this vertical stabilizer like this. Okay, and just glue it around top and the bottom of this. It will allow it to dry. Then this right one. Okay, so let's just apply the glue on this. Now we will insert this vertical and horizontal stabilizer, the tail section, into the main wing section like this. Done. And this one. You can see this fighter GFI-30 is ready now. Let's have a look. And in the bottom of this, it's having a total 4 and 4 8 missiles, main landing gear and the nose landing gear. Okay, so this was the video of the GFI-30. Thanks for watching Gravity Flying India.